Hello, my name is Don Gillmer. I perform with and manage a weight team based out of Greenville, South Carolina, in the United States. Today, I'm performing with fellow bandmates, Mr. TJ Jones and Kevin Lampson. A weight team is a corporate party and event band, but every now and then we like to get together and do something a little heavier. So we call this a weight team HVE for heavy. I like Collision Drumsticks. I play the 5A and 7A models, depending on the type of venue I'm playing at. I really like them for their durability. The customer service with Collision has been amazing, and they are building a worldwide community of drummers to get together, meet each other, learn, and work together. So today we'll be performing a song called Save Your Spade. It's written by Mr. TJ Jones. It's about when the world feels like it's trying to put you in your grave, but you stand your ground. You say, "No, sir, not digging my hole today, save your spade." Hope you like it. Thank you.